Welcome to 324 Morning View Drive in Kalispell, Montana, where wide open spaces, breathtaking mountain views, and the freedom of Northwest Montana living come together in one incredible property. I'm Rachel Fedor, broker with Intuitive Real Estate. Set on 3.75 acres in the highly desirable West Kalispell area, this beautiful modern Craftsman offers perfect balance of comfort, privacy, and possibility. Inside, vaulted ceilings and abundant natural light create an inviting atmosphere that feels both spacious and warm. The open concept living and kitchen area is designed for connection, ideal for entertaining, gathering, or simply enjoying quiet moments at home. With 1,834 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and custom upgrades throughout, every space was designed with comfort and practicality in mind. But here, life extends far beyond the walls of the home. This is where mornings begin with coffee on the deck and mountain views in every direction, where afternoons are spent in the garden, evenings gather around the fire, and every season brings a new kind of beauty. Surrounded by views of the Salish, Swan, Mission, and Whitefish mountain ranges, in just minutes from Glacier National Park, Flathead Lake, Whitefish Mountain Resort, and Glacier International Airport, adventure is always within reach. Whether your lifestyle calls for hiking, skiing, boating, hunting, fishing, or simply slowing down and breathing deeper, this property offers space to live Montana the way it was meant to be lived. .324 Morning View Drive is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Let's connect and schedule your private showing. 406-249-9839. I'm Rachel Fedor, broker with Intuitive Real Estate.